Once the low GWP air handler is installed and the RDS sensor is installed, the next step will be validating the RDS sensor functions correctly. When you first power up the RDS control, you'll see the LED light on the RDS control. Initially, there'll be a 5-minute purge cycle, which will run the indoor fan to purge any type of refrigerant that might be in the system prior to powering up the thermostat. To bypass the purge cycle upon installation, remove the cover. And you can push the push button on the RDS control. When that occurs, the thermostat will power and you'll begin the normal startup sequence. Once the system calls for cooling, you can press the push button on the RDS control to simulate a mitigation. At that point, the indoor blower will come on. The LED light on the RDS control will flash blue. It indicates a mitigation cycle. And the thermostat power will be removed. Verify that the outdoor unit shuts down and the indoor blower comes on. Once you've tested the cooling mitigation cycle, you can terminate the mitigation test by pushing the push button. Once you've tested the cooling mitigation mode, you can proceed to the heating verification check. For the heating, click the heating mode, raise the heating set point, and to initiate a call for heating. Once the heating comes on and is operating, you can test the heating mitigation mode by pushing the push button. When that occurs, you get the flashing blue light. The heating unit will, in this case, the electric heat will shut off and the indoor blower will continue to run. You want to verify the electric elements are de-energized or the heating system is off and the indoor blower is running. Once you have verified that, you can terminate the mitigation test by pushing the push button to restore normal operation. Once you restore operation, the green LED will be displayed and the thermostat power will be restored to the indoor thermostat. And you have validated that the RDS control will provide a mitigation cycle to shut down cooling and also shut down heating.